How legit is Rocket Money? Intro. Hey everyone, a world where your finances are so streamlined, it's almost effortless. You're not constantly checking your bank account, worrying about bills, or stressing over debt. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's the promise of Rocket Money. But is it too good to be true? Is Rocket Money a legitimate tool that can actually help you take control of your finances, or is it just another scam? Let's dive in and find out. What is Rocket Money? Rocket Money, formerly known as Trim, is a personal finance app that aims to simplify your financial life. It's designed to help you save money, reduce debt, and improve your overall financial health. Here are some of the key features of Rocket Money. Bill negotiation. Rocket Money claims it can negotiate lower rates for your bills, such as cable, internet, and mobile phone plans. Subscription management. The app can help you identify and cancel unused subscriptions, saving you money. Credit monitoring. Rocket Money offers a basic credit monitoring service to help you keep an eye on your credit score. Financial advice. The app provides personalized financial advice and tips. How does Rocket Money work? To use Rocket Money, you'll need to connect your bank accounts and credit cards to the app. Once connected, Rocket Money will analyze your spending habits and identify potential savings opportunities. For example, if the app detects that you have a subscription to a service you're no longer using, it will suggest that you cancel it. Or, if it finds that you're eligible for a lower rate on your cable bill, it will negotiate with your provider on your behalf. Is Rocket Money legit? Now, the million-dollar question, is Rocket Money actually effective? Let's take a look at some real-world experiences and reviews. Many users have reported saving significant amounts of money using Rocket Money. Some have been able to negotiate lower rates for their bills, while others have canceled unused subscriptions. However, it's important to note that individual results may vary. There are also some criticisms of Rocket Money. Some users have complained that the app's negotiation process can be time-consuming and that it doesn't always result in the best possible deals. Additionally, some have questioned the legitimacy of the financial advice provided by the app. Should you try Rocket Money? Ultimately, whether or not Rocket Money is right for you depends on your individual financial situation and goals. If you're looking for a way to save money and simplify your finances, it's definitely worth considering. Here are some things to keep in mind before signing up for Rocket Money. Read the terms of service. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions of the app before signing up. Be patient. The negotiation process can take time, so don't expect immediate results. Do your own research. Don't rely solely on Rocket Money for financial advice. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor. Conclusion. So, is Rocket Money legit? The answer is yes and no. It can be a valuable tool for saving money and simplifying your finances, but it's not a magic bullet. To get the most out of the app, you'll need to be patient, proactive, and willing to do some of the legwork yourself. With that said, if you're looking for a way to take control of your finances, Rocket Money is definitely worth a try. Thanks for watching. Until next time.